Hey, good morning, guys. Johnny with Blazer Grass Lawn Care on this beautiful weekend morning. So, what's been going on? Quick update. I finally got this fixed, and for those who didn't see my prior videos, this popped in half. So they didn't have just this one piece, so I had to end up buying the whole piece and getting it installed. So yeah, so my door is back to where it's supposed to be. Now I went ahead and changed also the cables, and guys, let me tell you, this thing, I promise you, man, and quote me if I'm wrong, this thing is about 200-300 pounds, man. This door is extremely heavy and especially when it's wet. So this door was extremely heavy, and me and Q, man, we were up there just, you know, toughing it out, but we got it done. So we exchanged the cable and we exchanged the whole system. So the whole job, including parts, was, I want to say, about $300. And it took them, yeah, I dropped it off in the afternoon, and it took him about an hour to fix it. But you know, why didn't I fix it myself, guys? Hey, man, I didn't have the time. I honestly didn't have the time, because it is raining, and I'm sure some of you guys are getting it too. It is raining, man, 24/7. Every afternoon. As a matter of fact, look at the skies right now. It's supposed to rain today, and it's been raining pretty bad. So what else is new? I've just cleaned out the trailer, you know, because I had to take everything out. So, you know, I'm the type of guy that I only take what I use on average. And yeah, this Husqvarna, I went ahead and just put the little blocks in there so I can put it on the racks, and it's working out pretty good. So yeah, and I will make a video on that later on. Oh, what else? Oh yeah, the main reason for this video is, remember the one man's trash video, and I put a link to it. This is a spreader that I got, and the spreader works. There's nothing wrong with it. It's a very good spreader. Now this is also the fan that I got, and I wanted to see, you know, we can both see if this thing worked. So I'm doing this one-handed. I'll go ahead and plug this in. Yep. Oh yeah. Nice and cool. 3. So the fan works. Let me go ahead and leave it here. There you go. Keep it nice and cool. But the main thing is this. I got this pressure washer, and this is one of those stickers. And I know this is it used to belong to a military family. And how do I know? Because of the stickers. If you guys don't know, I'm prior military, so when you move, they put stickers on all the stuff that they're moving for you. But let's see if it works. And before I plug it in, let me get I'm gonna hook up the water to it. All right. You know what they say, right? One man's trash is another man's treasure. Let's see if that's correct. Turn this water on. So, water's in the system and is off. Let me see if water is actually coming through here. Yep. Water is actually coming through. Let me see. Oh, here's a little piece right here. All right, let's plug it in. You know what? Let me plug it in right here. Hold on, it's kind of bent just a little bit. There you go. All right. Let's see. Oh boy. Oh boy. It works. It actually, oops. It actually works. All right. Put this here. Hope you can see me. Yeah. Hey, remember the stuff I told you I found by the trash? The pressure washer? Yeah, look. This thing worked. Pretty cool, huh? Somebody threw that away? Somebody threw this away, man. Wow. So I'm making a video. Yeah. Ah, so it works. All right. Hello, how are you? Okay. Hey guys, this is my good buddy. Oh, Vietnam vet.
You gonna put that on there?
Yeah.
Huh?
If you want me to.
Yeah.
Okay, there you go. So when you go check me out, you can see yourself on video.
Okay.
Okay. Awesome. Hey, be safe on your trip, man. Okay. Awesome. So it works, guys. I am so freaking excited. It is a ourblueclear.com product. Blue Clean Power Washer. 2000 max PSI. And it works like a charm. Huh? Hey, maybe I can now start making power washing videos like Dan. Oops. Like Dan. And that's my man Sonny. You know, you put yourself out here in the storage and you got to know your neighbors, man, so you can look out for each other. But guys, the pressure washer works. I am freaking excited. Maybe I should become one of those junkyard guys, you know, go out there and start finding stuff and make a channel. No, I'm not gonna do that. Oh, and so you guys know as well, I got a doggy crate also, and that I'll give it to someone or donate it. But yeah, it works pretty good. Man, that is freaking awesome. Awesome. It works. Wow. All right, let's put it to the test. Nice. Let's see if the little soap dispenser works. It's got the filter. Let me get some pour some. All right, let me put some power clean in there. Alright, so I'm guessing the dial tells me how much suds I'm gonna get, right? Let's see. I know you probably need to have the max. Let's go with max. I guess that's the way it works. I don't know. No, he's not sucking it out. Off. On. I think you gotta have a certain type of nozzle on it to get the suds out. Alright, no biggie. Let's put some on the rim. Spray some on it real quick. I'm not doing a thorough cleaning, guys. All I'm doing is seeing if this thing work. That's it. That's good enough. Awesome, guys. All right, so one thing that I do, I don't know if you guys do it, but once I finish washing my mowers, I dry them with the blower, and I'll make a video on this blower. So there you have it, guys. Nice and clean. Ready to rock, ready to roll. Awesome, awesome job. And great find. Great find. So if you guys go out there, man, and you find things that are laying out there, pick them up. Pick them up, guys. Look at, hey, I'm just lucky. I wasn't expecting it to work, but I kind of did because it looked too good. It looked too doggone good. All right, so I'm gonna just clean this off and put everything up. Y'all still here? I figure you click off by now, right? Yeah. Pop smoke. Peace.